Hi, crafty folks. Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to make a super quick and easy embossed card. Now, this is a new to me, all to new 3D embossing folder, and I have a piece of metallic cardstock. Now, here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but guys, this couldn't be easier. I just cut this panel down just slightly smaller than US A2 size, which is 4¼ by 5½, just lining it up with this particular design. It's Cupcake something or another. I'll link it in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find links to all the products that I used. But look at that gorgeous design on there. This is such a fun way to use up that metallic cardstock. If you're not sure what to do with it, try putting it in an embossing folder. It's always dramatic, it's always impressive, and it's sure to bring a smile. So here I have an extra little strip that was a perfect size to go on the inside of the card, just to add a little bit of continuity on the inside. And I'm just using some tape runner to put that down on the inside and snip off the little tiny overhang on the edge. But now, since I have a white border, I'm thinking I want to have a sentiment with some white in it, just to kind of tie that together. And this is an extremely simple design. Came together super quickly. This would be a great idea to batch, maybe if you need a bunch of cards, or maybe for a gift set or for donations. But here I'm flipping through my sentiment book. This is my storage solution for all my die cut sentiments. And I decided to go with that Oh Happy Day and this black satin mix card bling from A Colorful Life Designs. So be sure to use my coupon if you check out anything at the shop at A Colorful Life Designs. But I put it all together and there you have it. Super easy peasy. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.